Biamono murikeito Fatgad Gisemba togo sukabosyo uyo kabaire omonogeri bwebunge ye county ya Kisii David Kombo nigabaga kubwatu kwa ritukulia lero n'umunakibi na Bernard Omwansa magega y'obusaiti boisaine kubora nabona abotumanya omurikeito Brian Nyakundi Kombo nigabetega kubeko byara n'ikyumbe kya EACC ekyabeteke gotebabuna nigabwate amamocho y'obutumekyo bobe buyabisiaye
Maega yogo ikigwa bose obwekegambero n'ekyombe gyokurwanya obukurumi kya EACC ase amamocho y'obutumeki obobe bwabisi nigo monachiebiina ase ekegambero ekenene gya Kisii Bernard Omwansa amabwatoka oyo kabeire omonogeri bwebunge ya Kisii David Kombo nabo igo amamochae gotuguterware Kagokwana ime yekegambero ekyo emambia ya lero monachiebiina Bernard nigateba mamocho andetayo ayo amebwatiranetie Kombo.
I find that the prosecution has failed to establish a prima facie case against either the first accused or the second accused. Pursuant to Section 210 of the Criminal Procedure Code, I accordingly find that both accused persons have no case to answer and that are hereby acquitted of the charge. The cash paid be released to the depositors as prayed.
Omwakili George Morara amo na Kombo nigo baikirana eliogotegerera eki na ekyo abo ase mwakili Morara agikelia ekyombe kya EACC ase okumusaga na Kombo leta gusi libaga liokobwatia lichiko liekegambero kyanete buna aherete bweka bosyo bwekegambero ekyo.
Of July 2026 before the Chief Magistrate Court at Kisii, also doubling up as the Anti-Corruption Court at Kisii, before Honorable Chief Magistrate Omwansa Bernard, the case that was before the court against Mbaka, the former acting clerk to the Kisii County Assembly, and the former speaker David Kombo of the Kisii County Assembly, a case under the Anti-Corruption and Economic Crimes Act, Section 46, abuse of office. The case has been dismissed after the court having a finding that the prosecution did not prove the charge beyond any reasonable doubt. Or staff of the Anti-Corruption Commission who dramatically arrested him or abducted him from Nairobi and drove him overnight from Nairobi, aligning him in court, disregarding an earlier order from the same court that Mzee presents himself before the court to take a plea for this matter. It is a victory for the legal team that has religiously and diligently prosecuted this matter. The evidence that was presented did not meet the threshold of convicting or finding Mzee to have a case to answer before a court of law. Trumped up judges, the evidential capacity, the documents that were presented did not link the former Speaker Mzee Kombo, or rather they did not bring him near the scene of the same crime that the Anti-Corruption alleged.
Nase ensemo yae Kombo nigo agokera kuna chuku abo ase airaneria mbuya ekigambiro nabo igabo wakili bae ase ogokonya obwene bwae kwenekigwa.
I thank God because the truth has at least been brought up. I want to thank my lawyers. The two lawyers did a wonderful job. A wonderful job by at least bringing it before the court that I have never and I will not want to commit any crime.
Yingo ripotilia Getembe korwa ase amagacho yekigambiro gya Kisii. Eliatariane Brian Nyakundi.